Hello guys, welcome once again to my kitchen, the Cookalicious kitchen. Alright, so it's actually night here and I'm trying to prepare a quick meal. So we're going to be making fried rice. So I'm going to be using the available ingredients I have in the house to make fried rice. Oh, and it's going to turn out to be very delicious. It's going to be a very simple method, and so let's go right into the cooking process. So in a clean dry pot, I'm going to be adding oil, not so much, just a little oil. So I'll be adding onion. So I'll be adding curry into it. Add a little bit of ginger. You can see how it is. Adding the rice now into the oil. This will make the rice become more flavorful. We are going to stir and make sure every part of the rice is coated. But the rice smells amazing. It smells delicious. So this is it. So and the rice is parboiled. Please, I parboiled it before doing it. So parboil it. Okay. So I'm done. I'm going to add water now for it to get cooked. Okay. So I'm adding the meat stock. So you can see it's not enough. So I'm going to add more water. So you can see it's looking beautiful. So we're going to let it cook until the rice is soft or it's properly cooked. So I'm taking it off the fire now. You can see it's cooked. It's soft enough for eating now. So in a clean pot, I'm going to add oil. So I'm going to fry the egg. Scramble the eggs and get it off the heat. So I'm going to add another oil. Oops. I'm going to be frying the chicken. I'm going to fry the chicken until it's brown. So that should take like 10 minutes. It's fried, so I'm going to take it off the heat. Now I cooked it before I fried it. I already parboiled it, so it's actually cooked. It's very cooked. I'm going to add a little more oil. This is for the cooking of the rice itself. So I'm going to add onion. I'm going to fry until it's translucent. That should take like 2 minutes. Green beans. I always like to add the green beans because I don't like the taste when it's a bit fresh. I like it to be a little bit soft. So I'm adding the carrots. So I'm going to be adding salt now. Adding salt. Adding garlic and ginger powder. I'm adding curry into it. So you stir. And give it 5 minutes to cook before you add the rest ingredients. So let me check on it. Alright, so it's boiling very well. I'm going to add chicken to it. I'm going to stir. So I'm adding the rice into it now. Alright, it's to put in veggies and put it on a low heat. We're doing it on a low heat. I'm going to add soya sauce into it. I'm also going to add cabbage. So I'm adding spring onion. So I've tasted the salt is not really enough, so I'm going to add more salt. So I'm also adding 2 spoons of sugar. Stir. After turning, the last thing to do is to add the egg. And when we turn, all this should be done on a low heat, very low heat, and make sure you're turning to the down of the pot, if not it's going to get burned. Okay, and when all this is done, give it 5 seconds and the food is ready. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this. Please take out time to watch other of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you think the content is amazing, and please subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can help me grow this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It is you who have made this channel a success so far. I appreciate you. And if you are new to this channel, please just subscribe. It's free. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.